In today's video, I'm going to be washing my disgustingly dirty Ford Focus ST170. So this is my Focus ST170 project car, and if you watched my last video, you'll know it has been sat for the last 2 years gathering dust and dirt and grime. I'm going to wash it, as a clean car is a nicer car to work on. I'm not going to be using anything special, just a few pressure washes followed by a snow foam and then a contact wash and then just some minor detailing. The engine bay and interior will also be getting cleaned. So come on, let's get on and see if we can polish this turd.
Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west, I take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the. Big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the cleats. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Nice keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. Let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution.
Don't know what you want, I need to know. Don't pick up the phone when I try to call. Tell me what is wrong or what is right. What is right? 'Cause now it's too late, too late, too late, too late, now it's too late, too late, too late, too late, now it's too late. Shadows look like you. I gotta forget, find something new. There's no going back for you and I. 'Cause now it's too late, too late, too late.
So there we go, guys. The car is clean, and it actually looks not too bad, but considering it's been sat for a couple of years and it's 21 years old, I'm quite happy with, you know, how it's come out for that fact, to be honest with you. And no, I'm not a car detailer. I've just given it a really good clean, which it did need. And that said, even though it does need work and it's not on the road yet, a clean car is much nicer to work on than a really dirty one. I mean, especially since it had like a mice or birdie's nest in the engine bay. Unfortunately, like I said earlier in the video, it has highlighted a few other things, like there's some rust on the front wing, there's a few more dinks, there's a really giant scrape down the bottom there, but other than that, it's actually come up really nice. And it still starts on the key and drives around a little bit, you know, it's fine. So I'm not too concerned about it. But there we go, it's clean now and it's time to be my project car and I can work on it. And like I've said before, the only things that really do are the brakes and suspension and a couple of bits underneath on like the subframe. But other than that, it's pretty clean. So it doesn't need a lot of work. So I hope I can get this back on the road soon and sort of enjoy it a little bit. I think, come to the conclusion, it probably will need a full body respray in its life. But other than that, it's perfectly acceptable as a fast Ford. And definitely a future classic. So guys, that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've liked watching me clean it. I hope you look forward to more content in the future on this car, especially if you own one and you're a Ford lover like myself. As always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. Check out my Redbubble shop, link in the description below if you want to buy some merch, support the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Keep enjoying your crusty, rusty, modified cars.